Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am really excited to share some of these items with you. I just need to give you a heads up though. Some of them are limited edition. Once they are gone forever. So I'm just warning you right now. Here we go. Number one, if you're in our stamp club, now is your chance to add on those dies. If you're in the Die Hard Club, you already have these, you are set. But if you're in our stamp club or you purchase the stamp separately, you can now add on the dies. Now, for our Die Hard Club members, you already got this, right? So that's kind of one of the fun things about being in the Die Hard. You don't have to wait for the dies to come out on the 20th of the month. Just saying. Now, okay, these are so awesome. Okay, this one is so fun. We're calling it large circles, I think, but it's a web with bats and a little scarecrow. And it's kind of like not easy to understand, but let me just show you. Here is the web with bats. Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love that. And then oh, look at this one. You guys are going to freak. Ready? Look at that. Look in the background. Do you see it in there in this shadow box card? Isn't that cool? Now, yes, these fit on the 5x7 Flip It. I will show you some more samples in a second. Last, but, well, no, not last. Another item on flash sale for the first 24 hours it's on the website by popular request is the Witch Boots Fold It. Are you serious? Is this the most funniest thing ever? Now, look at how many pieces I was able to give you, my friends. Look at this. So you have the shadow die, of course. You have the inside dies. The lacing dots are optional. You don't have to do those. You have the buckles cut separately. You have these, oh, you could also make them leprechaun boots if you want to. There's a little spider. There's a spider web. Oh my goodness, you guys. Now, wait till you see the samples, okay? Now, remember when we came out with the Birthday Vibes kit and it was awesome, sold out almost immediately. Well, Stephanie messed up again. I messed up. We have extras. And we didn't have enough extras of everything to make more kits. So we are selling the extras now. Normally we don't do that. Normally we make you wait 6 months or whatever if we have extras. This time, I know you guys are as hot for this as I am. So we are now putting on the website for a limited time only. Once it's gone forever. The birthday pad, which is really cool. I just used one of these in a video. You use dies to cut some of the pieces out. That's a circle one. So go check that out. Some of my favorite colors ever are in this kit. It has glacier, pool, raspberry, sunshine, marigold, and kiwi. Just saying. Now, a couple extra of these as well. Ribbon, glacier ribbon. Glacier mirror dots. Limited, very, very limited. Chances are if you're watching this video, they're already sold out because some people stock our website. Felt, stars, sold in packs of 3, all of these items. And you know it. This is the we have some of these. There might be some of these left because I ordered double the amount. I don't know how this happened. I accidentally ordered double the amount. I couldn't believe it. So boom, go check it out. Now, let's look at some samples. So that is a sneak. Here we go. Let's look at the circles. So the circles, that's the one I already showed you. Here's the other one I already showed you. Look, folds flat for mailing, shadow box. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Look at all those fun layers. I absolutely love that one. Look at that. Now, if you use, because there's 4 dies in that set. Let me show you this. There's 4 dies in this set. I know it looks like 2. It's really 4. Why? Because what you're going to get is you're going to get the big circle to die cut it so it looks exactly like this, right? Exactly like this. Or just use the inside circle to have it look like this. So it makes a little window. It's like a little drop in. Isn't this totally cute? This is using our chip bag. You can put little goodies in there. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love that. So there's 2 options, right? So really there's 4 options because there's 4 dies. 2 this way and 2 the other one, right? Isn't that fun? Now here, remember I said 5x7 circle. A lot of you already have this die. Check this out. Boo, boo. Did I scare you? Look at that. Look at those fun. Oh my goodness gracious. I love this. I love this. I could do this all day. Then we have this one using the Scarecrow. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like a silhouette. I absolutely love that. It's so pretty because it's dark and it's spooky. Now, let's look at, you guys, the team went crazy. Are you ready? let's look at some witch boot fold-its. Here we go. Look at this. Are you just ready to fall over? Here's one using glitter paper for the boots. Is that just crazy or what? Look at how cute that is. So this is without the lacing, and this is with the lacing die. That is up to you. That's the whole die, right? Here's another one. Look how awesome that is. I love it. You guys, this is so much fun. Imagine making treat bags out of this one, right? Look at how cute that is. Open that up. Look at the spider webs in there. Okay. Ooh, okay. Wait, hang on. Let me see the die really quick. Let me look at this die. Yes. So I did do this. I gave you an extra die for the boots, so you could make a shaker. Make a shaker out of those boots. Look at this, you guys. There are extra dies in there to make this a shaker. Can you imagine? Can you imagine making, here's another shaker, ready? Look at that. Can you imagine giving this to somebody? They're gonna freak out. Oh my God. Those of you that sell at craft fairs, these are gonna sell like hotcakes. Hotcakes, right? Now, last but not least, look at this. This is the Accordion number 2 card die set. Look at how this pops open. Look at how cute that is. It's all these extra layers, but it folds flat for mailing, but then it pops open. It pops open, and look at that with the boots on the front. Is that insane or what? I absolutely love that. So my friends, the dies, not the club dies, but the other dies, the first 24 hours are on our website. They are on flash sale. If you are not seeing the paper pad or any of the embellishments on the website, that means they're sold out. So go to our website, stampsoflife.com. If you're not in the club, join one of them so you get 15% off your purchase every single time you order, as long as you're a club member. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.